Hi friends, in this video, we are going to learn that which one is bigger. Is it 9 power 63 bigger or 6 power 93 bigger? So that's what we're going to find out. So the first step, what we are going to do is 9 power 63 divided by 6 power 93. That's the first step I'm going to take it. And now this is going to be nothing else but 9 I can write down as 3 square and then power 63, and 6 I can write down as 3 multiplied by 2 power 93. Now we do know there is a rule. Let us say if there is a power m and another power n, then I can multiply the power a power m times n. So because of that, I can do this as 3 power 63 times 2, which is 126. There is also another rule. If I do have a times b power m, and that is equal to, I can give that power to both individually. So I can do like a power m multiplied by b power m. And that's what I'm going to apply right here. So that will give me 3 power 93 multiplied by 2 power 93. Now, let us say the top bit on a split like 3 power 93 times 3 power, let us say 126 minus 93. So that is going to be 33. And denominator, I'm going to keep the same. So again, what did I do is 3 power 93 times 3 power 33. 93 plus 33 is 126. So that's the same. And the reason why we did that, because we can cancel out 3 power 93 and 3 power 93. So now what we are left with is 3 power 33 over 2 power 93. Now you want to see which one is bigger. Is this one bigger or that one bigger? Looking at the power, guys, we can see my 2 power 93. That power 93 is too big. So actually denominator is going to be bigger actually. But we got to prove that. So how we can prove that is, let us say this is 2 power 93. This is 2 power 93. And definitely 2 power 93 is bigger than 2 power 66. I got the same base. So exponent I can compare. 93 is bigger than 66. So 2 power 93 is bigger than 2 power 66. And this I can write down as 2 power 33 times 2. Because 33 twos is 66. Now I can write down that, sorry, that is not greater than, that is equal to. And that I can write down as 2 power 2 and then power 33. The reason is when there is a power, another power, then we can multiply. So we can just put down that things. Now, my 2 power 2 is going to be 4 power 33. So we can see my 2 power 93 is bigger than 4 power 33. I'll write down here. 2 power 93 is bigger than 4 power 33. And here I have got 3 power 33. So definitely 4 power 33 is bigger than 3 power 33 because the same power, my base is smaller when it is 3. So I can write down 2 power 93 is definitely bigger than 3 power 33. So now my 3 power 33 upon 2 power 93 is going to be less than 1 as my denominator is bigger. So that tells us that my 9 power 63 upon 6 power 93 is less than 1. So 6 power 93 is less than, sorry, 9 power 63 is less than 6 power 93. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.